This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Let's talk about the details. I warned you on the symmetrical triangulation. We'll go over VIP returns here in just a moment. This is London with Bitcoin Spike, former hedge fund owner, private, not SEC, not financial advice. Over 130 VIPs joined the first month more than any other group, guys. Top trade group. Look at this specific busted fake out. Boom. First one. Number one there. Once we redraw the specific line of resistance across the top, boom, we had another fake out. Yes, worth warning about. Without a doubt, guys. This is London with Bitcoin Spike, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, and not financial advice. Taking a look at where we're at now, the market's assessing, okay, you faked out twice. We're down below support now. What do you expect from the traders? I'll tell you, as we balance the specifics in mind, at least we provided you that warning. We've traded enough of these. I'll tell you, the people who aren't familiar with them, they will probably go ahead and trade them heavily. I just let you know, in terms of that flat bottom support that we see, let's go ahead and rearrange this. Flat bottom support we see on the hourly or on that 4-hourly time frame, we're getting that notion of the descending triangulation. It's going to be a dangerous zone here along this level of support. Now, bulls in the house, and I'll tell you, that level of support is clearly reflected by the specific buy line on our fire and ice indicator. Beautifully well done, huh? The fire and ice indicator is loaded with potential this year in 2022 as you look at how to frame, let's say, how to up your game, how to up your trade approach. And looking at this, yes, with indications of entry, of exit, hugely important. A lot of sophistication has gone into this project. I have really gone to the mat for you guys, and so has Venus. Congratulations, Venus, on your trade today. 153%. Look at her bring in the returns. Venus, great profile photo. Love it. Very professional. Great to see you trade every time you trade. Hugely important. I want to talk about Luke. Would be next on the list. 45%, 41%, 59% all longs today. Boom. Look at that short as well. 15%. Congratulations, Luke. And I want to let you know, when you think that Bitcoin is not moving, I'm just going to tell you guys, if you had put in a 200 Bitcoin position trade last night, 20x, where would you have been at? Guys, you would have woken up with a 40K profit. So we trade, guys. We have a lot of heavy traders in the back, and shout out to all the VIP number one trade group. Very exciting in 2022 to be building. I hesitate to bring up large trades, honestly, because I don't want people to emulate them. So I always tell you, just take it as an example of what the market is capable of. Honestly, guys, I don't think it is of great service to the industry that people bring up large trades without appropriate warnings. Just beyond do your own TA. Don't think that I'd say exceptional returns are anything but the exception. Just bottom line. I think that's the best way to put it. Don't believe that exceptional returns are anything but the exceptions. And I'll add the caveat, unless you've traded thousands of trades. Bottom line, have you traded thousands of trades? If you have, then you know how to take a trade result. You know how to take market information, etc. Until you get there, and we start off with 100 rounds. But you're competing at all times in the market by individuals. You know this, by individuals in Wall Street who have had thousands of trades. So we look forward to your further development here in 2022 and 2023. No rush, but we'll just tell you, we want to provide you with the appropriate tools. Let's talk about La Jolla incoming, headquarters incoming, crown jewel of Southern California. We will be there in a week or so. And shout out to the VIP and number one contributor, Venus. We're so excited to be building with you in 2022. Not only La Jolla, we're also bringing in, we've talked about it, guys, we've already onboarded them, the VIP, VIPtrader.com with the Bybit development team. You got it right. They're going to be establishing our website for you. So looking at this descending triangle framework, we are knocking on the floor. This is not a level that the bulls want to lose. I'll tell you that. There's going to be a struggle at that level, but as we look at the potential fallout, I don't want to be iffy. I do not want to be I don't want to be wish-washy, guys. I don't want to be, well, possibly this or possibly that. No, I want to talk about a real pickup line. Boom. As you look at this specific pattern, I want to discuss the pickup line of this level of support. All right? As we look at the level of support here on the, and let me just reframe this just a touch. Let's pull this screen over. Hope you guys had a great weekend. I know VIP did. There we go. A little bit better for you guys to see. Now, the level of support. Boom. You see this, right? What's the key facet here? Well, on the fire and ice indicator, what does this level of support line up with? Boom, our green buy line. So when you're doing this, guys, when you're trading and you're using the fire and ice indicator, and that green buy line is aligning perfectly with a very established, guys, very recognized, I'd say a very, very technically sound level of support, just counted to the credit of VIP. Yes, the lower fire sale line will be an equivalent, boom, here, this meeting here. When you look at this specific preceding low pivot, that would be your specific pickup on the fire sale line around that $10,000 mark. Here's a fresh post from Luke. The green and gold lines on the 3-minute have been really awesome, he says. Boom. Look at this. This is Luke trading with fire and ice as we speak about it right now. Luke, your timing was perfect. It was impeccable. Exciting to see that 3-minute. You guys see Luke is trading. That is VIP. Luke has been in VIP for over a year. And Luke, we love having you in VIP, my man. Look at the family. I always bring up the family. Just a beautiful, beautiful family and a wonderful addition. I'll say it's our trade group. I say it's my trade group, but I'm a member as well, right? So I love trading with Luke. You're the man, Luke. Way to go. Way to hit those charts. I just need more time to trade. I know you need more time to trade. We'll work on that in 2022 and 2023. And guys, I bring up pictures of La Jolla. To the extent you guys want to be a part of the growth process with us, we invite you to not only get involved, but to get in contact with me. Absolutely. This is London with Bitcoin Spike, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. At least join the trade group. For starters, we're going to tell you that. And if you're already a member and you're thinking, well, how could I play a part in the growth of VIP? We want you to know that you're more than welcome. To play a part in it. We look forward to that, and that's an open invitation to all of you. To Luke, of course, to Venus, will be in that proximity. We're going to be building directly with you, Venus. We cannot wait. Now, in terms of joining, this is the link to join VIP. Once you've joined or hit that join button, this is on Twitter. Once you've joined, you need to go to the pinned tweet. I am VIP. Guys, we're the only trade group that I know of. Not only that had 130 VIP the first month in existence, huge numbers, but guys, we're the only trade group that has literally had the traders, guys, we've had traders with $1 million days. $1 million days. Not they entered a trade with $1 million. They made $1 million in a day. Okay, so is that standard? Is that typical? I'm going to tell you guys, no, it's not. But it's so out of the ordinary, it is extraordinary for us to be able to tell you the truth of that. Boom. So, and many VIP have made multiple minutes, guys. In terms of this, once you've joined, hit the first pinned tweet. Go ahead and put I am VIP, and boom, join some of the top traders in crypto. If not, guys, we've had number one, number two. I've dealt with a lot of top traders in crypto, including, just so you know who I am. This is London. You guys know, I told you yesterday, along the way up to this 69,000, I was speaking directly with and giving literal, guys, just solid, we'll say friendly advice directly, guys, to a $500 million level of exposure individual in the market, and telling them you better be ready for 45,000, for 30,000, for 15,000. Literally during this framework here. So not just a few retail small trades and, wow, we had success here or there. No, guys. Or, oh, we made $1 million. No, I'm talking about heavy hitting $500 million, like $500 million plus, guys. $500 million plus. Literally telling them in this zone, me telling them, by the way, be prepared for 45, be prepared for 30, be prepared for 15. How do you guys think he received that $500 million plus individual? I tell you guys, a lot of money was lost, a lot of money. Some people don't want to hear what they need to hear when they need to hear it. I'm going to say that. Other people are happy to, and they do well, like heavy cash reserves that we have instituted in terms of our framework since this march to the upside, maintaining heavy cash reserves available for lower levels. So join today, hit that first pin tweet, put I am VIP. That will put you in touch with me, and then I'll put you in the back. We'll get you started with the New York Institute of Finance. Yes, with some books that Wall Street uses so that you can compete with Wall Street. You have to every day, whether or not you want to admit it. So, Luke, nice to see you trading, my man. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Let's go. In terms of the week's price action, I'm going to tell you, when we get down into, if we can get down into the specific level of contention, the level of contention is going to be 17.5. Essentially, that's 17.5 to 18,000. If the momentum begins to drop aggressively, just understand, don't try and be a hero with the price action. Yes, you want to get a lower price within this zone. Guys, you want to get a lower price within this zone, but do the evaluation. Look at this very, very carefully. I want you to consider, is it really that much important to get a 5% additional value position on Bitcoin while she's potentially breaking down to significantly lower levels? I would argue no. If you think that it is, go for it. But if 5% is going to make or break your year, I would challenge that, guys. Just be cautious. Be careful as you look at us operating along a level of support with a head and shoulders dynamic. Just be careful, guys. Be careful. We like when Bitcoin, when she starts to go sideways a bit, when she provides a little bit of an overall pattern dynamic. We understand that bottoms generally take longer than tops do to formulate, so we're prepared to be patient. We've been in it since the top, telling people heavy reserve cash. We'll be in it. We welcome all of you, and guys, we're so excited to have you in VIP this year. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Let's go. We'll be trading in the back. We'll have some more returns for you tomorrow, and the only reasons you may not have them today is because you weren't back there with us. We'll put you in the back when you join today. This is London with Bitcoin Spike.